what I'm doing, right, V32 is a positive delta strategy. So what I'm doing is I'm maintaining positive delta at that point, and I'm creating a winning situation if the market stalls, and a winning situation or a likely winning situation if the market goes back up. I mean, it depends a little bit what the volatility does, but usually it's aggressively positive delta enough to pull you out of a loss in these harsh market reversals we've been doing. And it creates a losing scenario of basically a continued down move is going to stop you out of the trade, or if the market bounces and then comes back, it creates a losing scenario in that case. So you're changing your scenario. So if you are bullish on the market in general, so for me, this down move, I'm bullish on the market in general. This down move was nothing but a support test. Therefore, I'm still currently bullish on the marketplace. In which case, if we get a bounce, I'm looking to aggressively adjust up. And one way to do that is to switch to V32 configuration in order to pull myself out of a loss.